this is Pat Walker at Mission Winners. Let's take a look at the MAXLIST and the big index ETFs. I love the MAXLIST. Why? Those are the franchise names. Think about this. Nobody does what Amazon does as good as Amazon does it. Nobody does what Apple does as good as Apple does it. Nobody does what Facebook does as good as Facebook does it. And by the way, please don't think like these are blanket endorsements, with the companies and things like this. I'm just looking at the charts. Nobody does what Google does as good as Google does it. Just know that. There you go. So let's run through it. What do you say? Here's the spiders. Love to look at the spiders. Bouncing off, hanging in there. Higher lows, supported the rising 21 EMA. That's good. Here's SSO. Supported the 21 EMA. That's good. Trend is still up. QQQ. Check this out. Above the 50-day. That's the green line. QQQ. Below the 50-day. Has a higher low, but it needs to start showing some strength. Leadership. QLD. Similar situation. Below the 50-day. Right away, team. What does that tell you, folks? What does it tell to us? By the way, we make a video like this every night for the VIP members. All right? Review, overview on things. I'm going to show this again. Spiders, above the rising 21 EMA, trending up. QQQ, below the 50-day. Higher low, below the 50-day. Which is stronger? Spiders are stronger. Here we go, IWM. Stronger still. Look at this. Small caps. We like that. That's good to see. And TNA, leveraged one. Fine. Trending up. There we go. So let's look at the MAXLIST and get a feel for what's going on. Here's Apple. What do we have here? We have a higher low. It's below the falling 50-day. It fell on heavy volume Friday. This is not a high probability setup. Always ask yourself, is this a clean and simple setup that everybody sees and will capitalize on? No, it's really not. It's really not. So until it strengthens, look for better opportunities. Here's Amazon. Now, what does Amazon have? Amazon has a higher low. It's below the 200-day, but what catches your eyes? Look at that volume reversal here. Higher low. Could this potentially lift? Sure. Now, am I saying it's going to? No. I'm saying potentially. It's got the price volume characteristics that we like. Down on just average volume, falls and reverses and closes up on a pickup in volume. Higher low, perhaps it'll lift. Something to bear in mind. Alibaba, this is below everything here. This is just no. You're not going to see this in a chart book saying, this is what you look for, this is what you go for. No. Baidu, chopping around a little bit, but it's stronger. Check this out. Below the 50-day. Baidu, just a hair below the 50-day. What could be a potential entry? If this could bounce through the 50-day on really heavy volume. By the way, note the close here. I'm going to enlarge this for you. Look at that. So what's it need to do? Take out Friday's highs, preferably push above the 50-day and take out Thursday's highs and rally. You could start small there and then add more taking out these highs with volume in a good market. That's building a game plan. Here we go. Facebook. We're in Facebook. All right? See this base right here? Watch this. You all like this. This VIPs own this. We own it. Everybody's doing a happy dance. Look at that volume. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocket. We're buying in here. Look at that. I'm thankful for it, okay? It's what we look for. There we go. We'll see what happens. Google. What do we have here? Well, nice reversal bar on Friday. It's above the rising 50-day, team. See that? That's good. Perhaps it will take out Friday's highs and start to go. Where's the safest entry on it, though? I drew it. Clean and simple pays the best. So let's suppose you want to buy it. This is the spot you could buy more. If you start taking out Friday's highs, do less. Why? It's below these moving averages. Always control risk. And it works like a champ. Works like a champ. Continue onward. Goldman Sachs. Still trending. A reversal bar here. Okay, it's just a steady trend. No high probability entry at this moment. Netflix. There's nothing here. You don't need to overthink it. So, it's got a higher low. It's below the 50. There's just nothing really happening here. Maybe it's going to lift, but why not look for the best of the best? Stack the deck in your favor. NVIDIA, high or low, but until this starts pushing over the 50-day, there's nothing there. Squared, shopping around, high or low, but it's not high probability. Tesla, high or low. Now this one has news, and this has been a horse for us, okay? Could this potentially take out these highs and run? Possibly. Something to bear in mind, okay? And it is Tesla. Twitter. This one ran up, had earnings, needs to start lifting back above these moving averages. What catches your eye Friday? It fell on a pickup in volume. Visa. It's everywhere you don't want to be, okay? This would leave a mark, okay? This would hurt more than, not as bad as getting your credit card stolen, but dagnabbit, that'd be a tough nut to break right there, wouldn't it? Ouch. And here's MasterCard. We owned MasterCard. And when it's rallying up, we were selling into strength. Why? You see this reversal bar? What did it do as it rallied up, folks? We always combine price action with what? Volume. When it started to get weak, we're out. Last year, started up here, gone. We made money on it. No day trading, no 5-minute charts, no 10-minute charts. Just looking here and watching the price and volume action. Look at this bar. Is this a really strong bar? Look at this closely. I'm going to do this for you. This is a great lesson. It's what we do at Mission Winners all the time. Look at this. It gaps up. It runs up really good and closes in the bottom half, maybe the bottom third of its daily range. No power. Then look at this bar. It goes up, but on less volume than this bar. And now check out this bar. It gaps up, runs up, and closes below the open. There wasn't much power there. It was met with selling pressure. Drops down on this bar, but on relatively low volume. This bar, it gaps up, it runs up, and it closes below where it opens. Met with selling pressure. This bar gaps up, runs up. I'm going to make this bigger for you, okay? This isn't rocket science, by the way. Look at this. Gaps up, runs up, and closes below where it opened. Selling. This bar here gaps down, runs up, and closes down right at the 80 MA. Low volume, but it's lost some power there. And you know what? When that starts to happen and this gone, the rest good, goodbye. Took the money and ran. That's it. One of my philosophies is this. I am not going to let a 20-point profit turn into a loss. That's just it. And then we'll round it out with this one. Microsoft. There's really nothing there. Maybe it's going to lift off the 50-day, but look at this. This fell on a heavier volume pickup on Friday. Anyway, that's a review of the Max List. Just like to see what's going on. The big picture. Love the Max List. But I love them at the right time. That's the kicker. Hope this helps you all and have a great, safe weekend. Enjoy it.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.